My name is Travis Shallow. I'm from Wilmington, North Carolina. I've known Ron for years. We had a band together back in Wilmington called A Few Good Liars. And he hit me up about a month ago and told me he had this songwriter session thing going on here. And if we would be interested in flying in to do it. And I said, absolutely. So here we are. The song I'm going to do is it's called The Great Divide. I put out a record last year called The Great Divide. It was a full band song, and I kind of worked up an open tuning so I could still perform it by myself. Kind of a short story about it. A few years ago, my personal life was a complete mess, and I took a little break from music to kind of clean up a little bit. And when I came back to it, I wasn't exactly sure if I could still do it. And this was the first song that I wrote after getting cleaned up that was like kind of the road post to write more songs, to put out a new record. I kind of dove right back into it. So this song was real important to me to write. And here it is, called The Great Divide. Just like the creatures that came before. No matter how the wind blows and cuts through these weary bones, time will get back into a ray of sun. Now 31 shades of gray mixed into the landscape. This a hurricane omen, or the calm before the storm. It's hard to feel broken when your wheels are in motion. The battle is over and the warrior is home. There's a little bit of magic when you're jumping to the great unknown. Oh, but you don't have to jump on the great divide. Oh, baby, if you do, well, I'll catch you on the other side. You're the sum of all your choices, or just scared of all the voices. Either way, baby, you gotta let your love light shine. All that love forever. 'Cause baby, I gotta tell ya, I feel like I'm in heaven. Oh baby, when you smile. Now 31 shades of gray mixed into the landscape. This a hurricane omen, or the calm before the storm. It's hard to feel broken when your wheels are in motion. The battle is over and the warrior is home. There's a little bit of magic when you're jumping to the great unknown. You don't have to jump on the great divide. But there's a little bit of magic when you're jumping in the great unknown. No, but you know thank you so much.